Have you ever dreamed of having a perfectly green lawn without spending hours mowing, watering, or dealing with? Thanks to modern artificial grass, that dream is now easier and more affordable than ever. Today's premium synthetic turf looks incredibly realistic, feels soft underfoot, and is built to withstand years of heavy use while requiring almost no maintenance. Whether you're upgrading your backyard, decorating a balcony, creating a pet-friendly play area, or giving your patio a fresh new look, there's an artificial grass option that's perfect for your space. In today's video, we've rounded up the 14 best artificial grass products you can buy on Amazon in 2026. We've compared appearance, durability, comfort, drainage, and overall value to help you choose the right one for your home. Be sure to stick around until the end, because our number one pick delivers an impressive combination of realism, durability, and affordability that truly stands out from the competition. Now, let's get started. Number 14. Loobani Artificial Grass Rug. Starting our countdown is the Loobani Artificial Grass Rug. A great choice for anyone looking to add greenery to a smaller outdoor space without spending a lot of money. It's ideal for balconies, patios, pet areas, and apartment terraces where natural grass simply isn't practical. The realistic blend of green shades gives it a surprisingly natural appearance, while the soft synthetic fibers create a comfortable surface for walking barefoot or relaxing outdoors. It also features built-in drainage holes that allow rainwater to flow through quickly, helping the surface dry faster after bad weather. Installation is simple, and the material can easily be trimmed to fit almost any space. If you're looking for an affordable way to brighten up a small outdoor area, the Loobani Artificial Grass Rug is an excellent place to start. Number 13. Garland Rug Artificial Grass. At number 13 is the Garland Rug Artificial Grass, a larger artificial turf designed for homeowners who want to transform patios, decks, or backyard seating areas with minimal effort. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to instantly improve the appearance of outdoor spaces. The upright grass blades create a fresh, well-maintained look that stays attractive throughout the year without requiring mowing or watering. Its durable construction handles regular foot traffic well, making it suitable for family gatherings, outdoor dining, or relaxing with friends on warm evenings. Unlike natural grass, you won't have to worry about bare patches, weeds, or muddy areas after heavy rain. For anyone searching for an easy, low-maintenance landscaping solution that covers larger spaces, Garland offers excellent value. Number 12. Sunvilla Artificial Grass. Taking the number 12 spot is the Sunvilla Artificial Grass, a product designed for homeowners who care about creating the most realistic lawn possible. Instead of using a single bright green color, Sunvilla combines multiple shades with carefully textured blades that closely resemble healthy natural grass. The result is a lawn that looks lush and vibrant in every season. The soft surface makes it comfortable for children and pets, while the UV-resistant fibers help maintain the rich green color even after years of direct sunlight. Whether you're creating a backyard retreat or upgrading your front yard, Sunvilla delivers an attractive finish that enhances almost any outdoor setting. Best of all, you'll enjoy a beautiful lawn without spending weekends mowing, fertilizing, or watering. Number 11. iCustom Rug Artificial Turf. Coming in at number 11 is the iCustom Rug Artificial Turf, a versatile option that's perfect for families looking for both comfort and durability. Its soft grass blades provide a pleasant walking surface while remaining strong enough to handle everyday use from children, pets, and frequent visitors. The fibers are designed to spring back after being compressed, helping the lawn maintain its full appearance over time. This turf works equally well in backyards, patios, rooftop gardens, playgrounds, and even around swimming pools where natural grass often struggles to survive. Maintenance couldn't be easier. An occasional rinse and light brushing are generally all that's needed to keep it looking clean and fresh throughout the year. For homeowners wanting a practical combination of comfort, durability, and realistic appearance, iCustom Rug is definitely worth considering. Number 10. Smart Lawn Professional Artificial Grass. Kicking off our top 10 is the Smart Lawn Professional Artificial Grass, a premium option designed to deliver the polished appearance of a professionally landscaped lawn without the endless maintenance. What immediately stands out is its dense, realistic construction. The carefully blended green fibers create a lush, healthy appearance that looks remarkably close to freshly cut natural grass. Even after heavy use, the blades retain their shape well, helping the lawn continue looking neat and inviting. The built-in drainage system allows rainwater to pass through efficiently, reducing puddles and helping the surface dry quickly after storms. Combined with strong UV protection, this turf is designed to maintain its vibrant color despite constant exposure to sunlight. Whether you're upgrading your front yard, creating an outdoor entertainment space, or simply looking for a cleaner, greener landscape, Smart Lawn offers an excellent combination of beauty, durability, and long-term value. Number 9. Petro Deluxe Artificial Grass Turf. At number 9 is the Petro Deluxe Artificial Grass Turf, one of Amazon's most popular choices for homeowners with kids and pets. If you're tired of muddy paw prints, patchy lawns, or endless maintenance, this turf offers a practical solution without sacrificing appearance. What makes Petro stand out is its realistic four-tone color design that closely resembles healthy natural grass. The soft, yet durable fibers create a comfortable surface for children to play on while remaining strong enough to handle active pets. Running across it every day, its efficient drainage backing allows rainwater and pet messes to pass through quickly, making cleanup simple and keeping your lawn looking fresh throughout the year. Whether you're covering a backyard, dog run, or play area, Petro combines comfort, durability, and convenience in one impressive package. Number 8. Goss Lawn Artificial Grass. Coming in at number 8 is the Goss Lawn Artificial Grass, a product built for homeowners who want their outdoor space to look as close to real grass as possible. The first thing you'll notice is its longer grass blades mixed with realistic brown thatch underneath, creating natural depth and texture. From a distance and, even up close, it delivers an authentic appearance that blends beautifully into gardens, patios, and landscaped yards. The soft cushioned surface makes it enjoyable for family activities, while its weather-resistant construction helps it maintain its appearance through hot summers and rainy seasons. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to cut and shape the turf around pathways, flower beds, or outdoor furniture with ease. If realism is your top priority, Goss Lawn deserves a place on your shortlist. Number 7. Lida Deluxe Artificial Grass. Sliding into the number 7 position is the Lida Deluxe Artificial Grass, a premium turf designed for homeowners who expect both durability and luxury. Its thick, high-density construction immediately creates the look of a professionally maintained lawn. Unlike lower-quality turf that flattens easily, the resilient fibers are engineered to recover after everyday foot traffic, helping your lawn maintain its full, lush appearance over time. Another impressive feature is its excellent UV resistance. Even after long periods of direct sunlight, the rich green color stays vibrant, giving your yard a fresh appearance season after season. Whether you're creating an outdoor lounge, upgrading a garden, or installing turf around a swimming pool, Lida offers a combination of beauty and long-lasting performance that's hard to ignore. Number 6. Pick for Life Artificial Grass Turf. At number 6, we have the Pick for Life Artificial Grass Turf, a product that offers outstanding value for homeowners looking to transform their outdoor spaces without exceeding their budget. This turf features multiple shades of green combined with realistic blade textures that closely imitate freshly cut natural grass. The result is a lawn that instantly improves the appearance of patios, balconies, rooftops, gardens, and even commercial spaces. Comfort is another major advantage. The soft fibers provide a pleasant walking surface while remaining durable enough for everyday family activities. The backing also includes efficient drainage holes, helping rainwater flow through quickly and reducing puddles after storms. If you're looking for an affordable artificial lawn that still delivers premium visual appeal, Pick for Life is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Amasi Artificial Grass Turf. Breaking into our top 5 is the Amasi Artificial Grass Turf, one of the most balanced options available on Amazon this year. What sets Amasi apart is its attention to detail. Instead of creating a bright green carpet-like appearance, it combines several natural shades to produce a lawn that feels much more realistic. The soft blades are comfortable underfoot while remaining durable enough to handle regular use from children, pets, and outdoor gatherings. Its advanced drainage system helps prevent water from collecting on the surface, making it easier to clean and maintain throughout every season. Whether you're relaxing with family, hosting weekend barbecues, or simply enjoying your garden, this turf creates an attractive outdoor environment with almost no maintenance required. For homeowners who want premium appearance, reliable durability, and excellent overall value, Amasi earns its place among the best artificial grass products available in 2026. Number 4. Premium 35mm Artificial Grass. Taking the number 4 spot is the Premium 35mm Artificial Grass. A favorite among homeowners who want the perfect balance between comfort and realism. The 35mm blade height creates a lush, full appearance without looking overly tall or artificial. It feels soft underfoot, making it a great choice for families with children or anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors. Its dense fiber construction helps the blades stay upright, even after frequent use, while the UV-resistant material keeps the color vibrant throughout the year. Whether you're upgrading your front yard, backyard, or outdoor entertainment area, this turf delivers a clean, professional look that requires very little maintenance. Number 3. Heatensity 40mm Artificial Grass. Our number 3 pick is the Heatensity 40mm Artificial Grass, designed for homeowners who want their lawn to make a lasting impression. From the moment it's installed, the thick, luxurious blades create the appearance of a premium landscape that's both elegant and inviting. This turf isn't just about looks. Its high-density construction provides extra cushioning, making it comfortable for children, pets, and outdoor activities. The resilient fibers bounce back after being walked on, helping the lawn maintain its fresh appearance even in busy households. Combined with excellent drainage and strong UV protection, it's built to perform in all weather conditions while keeping your outdoor space looking beautiful season after season. Number 2. Pet-friendly Premium Artificial Grass. Coming in at number 2 is the pet-friendly Premium Artificial Grass, the perfect solution for active families and pet owners. If your backyard sees plenty of running, playing, and outdoor fun, this turf is built to handle it all. The realistic color blend gives your lawn a natural appearance, while the soft surface creates a comfortable area for children and pets to enjoy. Its advanced drainage system allows water to pass through quickly, helping keep the surface cleaner and reducing maintenance after rain or pet use. One of its biggest advantages is durability. Even with daily activity, the grass maintains its shape and continues looking fresh throughout the year. If you want a lawn that's attractive, practical, and family-friendly, this option is difficult to beat. Number 1. PetGrow PG1 Artificial Grass Rug. Finally, we've reached our number 1 pick, the PetGrow PG1 Artificial Grass Rug. This product earns the top spot because it delivers everything most homeowners are looking for in artificial grass. It combines a highly realistic appearance, soft texture, impressive durability, and reliable drainage into one outstanding package. The 4-tone color design closely resembles healthy natural grass, creating a lawn that looks professionally landscaped from the day it's installed. Whether you're upgrading a backyard, decorating a patio, building a rooftop garden, or creating a safe play area for kids and pets, PetGrow adapts beautifully to almost any environment. Its dense fibers remain comfortable to walk on while resisting flattening from everyday foot traffic. The drainage backing helps water pass through quickly, making maintenance simple and keeping the lawn looking fresh after rain. Perhaps the biggest benefit is the amount of time you'll save. There's no mowing, watering, fertilizing, or worrying about brown patches during hot weather. Instead, you get a consistently green, beautiful lawn all year with only minimal cleaning required. If you're looking for the best overall combination of appearance, comfort, durability, and value, the PetGrow PG1 Artificial Grass Rug is our top recommendation for 2026. That wraps up our countdown of the top 14 best artificial grass for your garden on Amazon in 2026. Whether you're transforming a small balcony, refreshing your backyard, creating a pet-friendly play area, or giving your outdoor living space a complete makeover, any of these artificial grass options can help you enjoy a beautiful green lawn without the hassle of constant maintenance. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect turf for your needs. If it did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of the best Amazon products and smart home essentials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.